teal blue. All right. The opposite end of the spectrum is what we call a quiet color. And this is a color that actually lowers your vibration, right? And so here we are, and this color brings your energy down. It's a quieter note, still gorgeous on you, beautiful on you, but you would wear this color for loungewear. Also, we like to say if you were going into a situation where it was kind of intense and some people already had their mind up that you were against them, this helps you to come in as Switzerland because it lowers your vibration so you don't come in with already appearing very intense, regardless of how you feel. Okay. It's going to lower your energy. And if you were supporting a friend and you did not want to be the center of attention, you wear your quiet color because it causes you to blend a little bit more into the background. Okay. And it's the same if you want to go out and you don't really want as much attention. Mm-hmm. You wear your quieter color. It's going to cause you to blend a little bit more into the background. I'm going to tell you that you don't blend anymore, so it might not quite have that effect because even in your quiet color, you look so gorgeous in these colors that people are going to comment and notice. I mean, it's going to be hard to be quiet.